Sergei Sip, Russia's deputy minister of industry and trade, cuts a red ribbon to symbolize a new partnership between Russian and American companies and institutions. Why is it important for Russia to be here at the Bio Convention in San Diego?
Президент и правительство Российской Федерации.
The president considers it very important to promote Russian research and Russian development.
Partnerships were signed between U.S. and Russian pharmaceutical companies making diabetic insulin and medication. Moscow Physical Institute and UC San Diego and San Diego's Biocom Industry Group signed agreements. Sip says the deals are important for political and scientific reasons.
Уверены, что кооперация между российскими и американскими.
The cooperation between the countries will definitely promote good relationship, not only in sphere of technology and research.
Pairing up tiny startups with big farm and global major research industries and companies is a major focus this year, says Scott Whitaker, CEO of the Bio Convention.
What has changed is this year we're expecting to have about 30,000 one-on-one partnering meetings this year. And this is an indication of the excitement level, the interest in companies partnering with one another to create products that really treat and cure people's diseases. And it's amazing.
One San Diego startup, Targason, is among an elite few chosen to be showcased in the Biocon Innovation Zone.
We make molecular diagnostic agents for research use. So we make them in 3 different areas, one for ultrasound contrast, one for cell separation, cell biology tool, and another one for gene transfection. This is really important for us because small companies like ours, we're 7 people, we would not be able to afford the ability to be present out there, and we would not get the presence and the visibility if we were by ourselves. But the Innovation Zone really makes it happen.
The U.S. military agrees, showing off one of their new innovations that are for both soldier and civilian. What are we looking at here? It looks kind of space-age camo something.
So what we're looking at here is a Bednet that's been developed for the military that's impregnated with insect, sort of like an insect repellent called permethrin. So it's impregnated in the cloth. As you can see, it's pretty tall. I think I would fit in this, and I'm not a short guy. And it's incredibly light.
Germany's Fraunhofer company does tissue engineering and regeneration for research, including this living lung tissue and tumor.
Which means that we want to create equivalents to human organs, to use them as test systems for pharmaceuticals and therapies, or to develop them further for implants that you could use if you have defects in organs or tissues in the human body.
I'm standing just inside a mock-up of an aortic artery complete with antibodies, pathogens, and viruses, which brings up an important aspect to the biotech industry, and that's marketing.
You come up with this genius idea in a little garage somewhere or in a lab, and how do you get that out to market? Well, maybe there's a couple of people, you have a little lab, and you want to go and talk to Merck or Lilly or Pfizer. Well, you know, what really do you have? Do you have something that you can take forward? And you need to market that. So that's nice, basically will help that company take that idea and that thought process and communicate it to these big organizations.
And the meetups aren't just for companies. Mike Grice, CEO of Med and Biotech Veterans Nonprofit Program, links veterans to biotech jobs.
It's an initiative to be able to bring transitioning military and veterans into new careers in life sciences companies. Life sciences are things like medical technology, biotechnology, medical devices, biofuels, and industry segments like that, which veterans may not have considered as an opportunity for employment.
And it's working.
We had 250 veterans in the program on January 1st. We have over 550 today. Our goal is to have 5,000 by 2018 and 1,000 per year after that.
And that's just one of the successes from the 65 countries, 47 states, and thousands of companies at the International Bio Convention. Peggy Pico, KPBS News.